Do you want to know how to delete a story off Facebook? It's very simple to do. So let's go ahead and open our Facebook. You should see your story at the top of your homepage here. So go ahead and click your stories. And I'm just going to pick one here. So on every story on Facebook, you're going to have 3 dots at the top right-hand corner. So go ahead and click those 3 dots. And from here, you just want to go and select delete video. If you're deleting a photo, it will say delete photo. So it's very simple to figure out. So go ahead and hit delete photo or delete video. Now from this point forward, you have 2 options here. You can delete it from Facebook and Instagram if you shared it on Instagram and you have it linked so it automatically goes on Facebook, or you can just delete it from Facebook only. It's very simple. So this does give you the ability if you just want to get rid of it on Facebook. So we're going to go ahead and choose delete from Facebook only. And it takes a couple seconds, but it will delete automatically. And that's it. Now you see the story is missing, and that's it. That's how you go about deleting a story on Facebook.